Hello dear students, the topic for today's lecture is sleepers. What is sleepers? Sleepers are component of permanent way which are laid transversely under the rails to perform different functions which are as follows. The first function is that sleepers provide a firm support to the rails and maintain the gauge of the track correctly. They also distribute the weight of the trains over a sufficiently large areas of the ballast and act as an elastic medium or shock absorber between the rail and the ballast to absorb the vibrations of the train. Sleepers also maintain the track at the proper gradient and align the rail properly. Based on the material out of which sleepers are made, they are classified generally into four types, which are as follows: wooden sleepers, steel sleepers, cast iron sleepers, and concrete sleepers. Now let us discuss these sleepers in detail. The first one is wooden sleeper. Wooden sleeper made up of wood satisfy almost all the requirement of an ideal sleeper due to the following advantages. First one is that it is cheap and easy to manufacture and can be used with any type of rail section and gauge. They are very useful for heavy loads and high speed trains. Wooden sleepers are also suitable for track circuits. Let us understand what are track circuits. Track circuits are basically electrical signals that are fitted onto the tracks in order to know whether the track is carrying a train or not. ट्रैक सर्किट्स आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स होते हैं जिसे कि हम ट्रैक पे फिट करते हैं ये जानने के लिए कि उस ट्रैक में जो ट्रेन प्रेजेंट है वो उससे पास हो चुकी है या वहीं पे है इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल द सिग्नल सिस्टम ऑफ द इंडियन रेलवेज एंड वुड बीइंग गुड इंसुलेटर कैन बी यूज्ड एट ट्रैक सर्किट्स. Wooden sleeper can also be used at coastal places. The disadvantages of wooden sleeper are that they have a lesser life of about 10 to 15 years due to decay by vermin attack. Also, they are prone to fire hazards. Thus, due to the following disadvantages and also due to scarcity of wood, wooden sleepers are generally not used nowadays. Next one is steel sleeper. Steel sleepers made up of steel are fitted onto the rails by nuts and bolts and have a lifespan of about 20 to 25 years. About 20% of the track on Indian railways is laid on steel sleepers. The advantages of steel sleepers are that they are easy to manufacture and have good scrap value. They are also not susceptible to fire hazards and free from decay and attack by vermin, unlike wooden sleepers. But steel sleepers have some disadvantages also, like that they are prone to corrosion, hence cannot be used at coastal places where salty water may corrode them. They are unsuitable for track circuits and also cannot be used for any type of rail section. The third one is cast iron sleeper. They are made up of cast iron and fitted to rails using tie plates. Cast iron sleepers can be used for long period up to 60 years. Their manufacturing can be done locally, so no need for longer transportation. They have a very good scrap value and creep of rail can be prevented by cast iron sleepers. Creep is basically the longitudinal movement of rail with respect to sleepers. जब रेल सेक्शन स्लीपर्स के कंपैरिजन में अपनी पोजीशन से लॉन्गिट्यूडनली थोड़ा मूव होने लग जाता है उस प्रोसेस को हम क्रीप कहते हैं. और अगर क्रीप हमारे ट्रैक पे हो रहा है तो उस वजह से जो ट्रेन है वो डीरेलमेंट हो सकता है. तो जो कास्ट आयरन स्लीपर्स होते हैं दे प्रोवाइड अ बेटर सेफ्टी अगेंस्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रीप. But the cast iron sleepers have some disadvantages also, like they cannot be used at coastal places and also at track circuits. They may get damaged while transportation as cast iron is brittle in nature. It is also very expensive, thus sometimes it proves to be quite uneconomical. And the last one is concrete sleeper. The concrete sleepers made up of concrete have a life of about 40 to 50 years, thus they prove to be quite economical. They can be used at track circuits and coastal areas as there is no problem of corrosion. Concrete sleepers being heavy fits to the rail properly. Also, they are not prone to fire or vermin attack. However, there are few disadvantages of concrete sleepers, like they may get damaged during transportation and also due to a little different shape, they are not suitable for points and crossings. So these were the four different types of sleepers which are generally used in Indian railways. Thank you.